Does your child struggle with focus, energy, or emotional ups and downs? You might be surprised to learn that some of the biggest influences on their brain health are things we often overlook. In this video, we'll explore 11 surprising yet science backed areas that affect your child's developing brain and how you, as a parent or guardian, can support them better starting today. This isn't just about problems, it's about powerful, simple solutions. Let's dive into a framework that could change the way you see your child's behavior and brain forever. There are 11 key factors that influence brain health, especially in growing children. Let's break down each one with practical examples and simple ways to support your child. Blood flow. Think of blood flow like a fuel delivery system for your child's brain. Poor circulation can lead to low energy, foggy thinking, and even mood swings. The good news? Movement is medicine. Encourage walking, playtime, anything that gets heart pumping. Also, make sure they drink enough water. Dehydration slows brain function. Rational thinking. Children can fall into negative thought patterns without even realizing it. Teach them to recognize and challenge negative self-talk. One great trick is help them talk back to unhelpful thoughts. Example, instead of I always mess up, try I'm learning and that's okay. You're building their inner coach. Inflammation. Inflammation isn't just about sore muscles. It affects brain chemistry too. Junk food, poor sleep, and stress all raise inflammation levels. Include more berries, green veggies, and omega 3s like walnuts in your diet. Also, quiet downtime like reading or drawing helps calm the nervous system. Genetics. Yes, your child may inherit tendencies like anxiety or attention issues, but genes are not fixed. Healthy habits like sleep, movement, and love can switch genes on or off. It's not just about DNA, it's about what you do with it. Head trauma. Child's brain is really sensitive. Even a small fall from a bike or a bump during sports can affect attention and mood. Always use helmets and observe any changes in sleep or behavior after a fall. Toxins. Toxins sneak into our lives through processed foods, harsh cleaners, and even plastic containers. What you need to do is gradually switch to safer alternatives like glass storage, fresh ingredients, and natural organic products. It's not about being perfect, it's about small, consistent upgrades. Mental health. Children don't always have the words to say they're anxious or sad. Look for signs like withdrawal or changes in sleep. Let them know it's safe to talk and you will listen without judgment or rushing to fix. Infections. Certain infections, especially if untreated, can influence behavior and focus. Trust your instincts. If your child seems off after being sick, don't ignore it. Follow up and track behavior changes. Neurohormones. As kids grow, hormones affect brain function and mood. Big shifts like puberty can bring confusion and mood swings. Support with routine, nutrition, and honest conversations. If something seems out of balance, don't hesitate to seek medical guidance. Diabetes and blood sugar. Too much sugar, a quick energy high followed by a crash, and often a meltdown. Swap sugary snacks for foods that stabilize blood sugar, like peanut butter, nuts, seeds, yogurt, or fruits with fiber. Sleep, a really important aspect in brain health. The brain literally resets during sleep. Children need around 9 to 11 hours of restful consistently. Try calming routines, dim lights, and no screens rule at least an hour before bed. Sleep is really important. Understanding these 11 brain impacting factors can truly transform the way you support your child's growth and development. Subscribe for more such content. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.